The widening scandal over illegal vaccine sales has sparked anger and drawn criticism across the country. The Supreme People's Procuratorate has vowed to crack down on crimes related to the scandal by actively cooperating with the drug safety watchdog and public security agencies.
All criminal offenses and job-related crimes concerning the scandal must be subjected to severe punishment in accordance with the law. Efforts must be made to ensure public health and safety.
Investigators are still tracing the distribution of the vaccines. The Ministry of Public Security says 29 pharmaceutical companies are suspected of involvement in selling the illegal vaccines. 16 vaccination institutions are suspected of buying them. Failing to properly store and transport the vaccines has become the major feature of the case. This meant the illegal vaccines were brought to clinics, particularly in rural areas with lax standards of supervision.
A total of 69 criminal cases have been filed and 130 people have been apprehended. According to police investigators, the vaccines were not produced and sold by illegal factories. Instead, they are normal vaccines sold by legal factories. Those vaccines are type 2 vaccines, which are bought by citizens on a voluntary basis. The police department has detained and sealed 20,000 vaccines.
There are over 5,000 drug production companies and 400,000 drug sales companies. While we have too many to supervise, we are also faced with a significant lack of labor power. Many blind spots exist in the regulations and supervision.
Those with the most concerns since the incident came to light, parents, can now feel reassured by the World Health Organization statement that the vaccines in question pose limited risks. By checking their inoculation record against the list of vaccines involved in the case, parents will find the vaccines all fall into China's second category of voluntary immunizations for rabies, hepatitis B, and so on, rather than those compulsory for all children. Furthermore, Chinese health authorities said on Thursday that no abnormal responses to any vaccination had arisen in the past 5 years. However, there's still every reason to question how the regulatory and supervisory bodies allowed such a thing to happen. Needless to say, much should be done to improve the country's vaccination system.